There was a moment when she found herself lost in a realm of haze and wonder as a seemingly innocuous cup of codeine beckoned her closer with its enchanting allure. In that instant, she let go of reality, embracing the soft caress of the liquid as it enveloped her, merging her thoughts with vibrant fantasies that danced at the edges of her imagination. As she ventured deeper into this mesmerizing paradise, the lines of code transformed into playful companions, each one sparking joy and igniting her creativity like never before.